Agricultural Mechanics, Technology, and Environmental Science 2 is the pathway for students who are interested in welding, carpentry, natural resources, design, construction, hydraulics, irrigation, turf management, and working with your hands. Students also have the opportunity to participate in extended learning opportunities through the program's student organization.
We have a student working on a go-kart. We have two students working on go-kart frames. They've done picture frames, corner tables, weight. They've done weight benches and equipment.
Right now we've been working on a welding project. I've built a go-kart frame out of scrap metal. Like, I had to get the plans, and then I've bent it on the bender, and then I've had to weld up the frame, make sure that it's true, make sure it's square. And then I've also had to make the steering linkage, and then like the engine brackets, and it's not the typical yard cart that you see a lot of kids just driving around with a lawnmower engine. It's an actual racing go-kart, and Michelin, keeps us to specs, so it's fun.
The whole focus is really to be hands-on so that they have the background to actually go out and do something with what they've done.
This is the pathway for you if you are fascinated with tools and equipment, are creative, and like to build things.